Hi friends, I hope you are safe and doing well. I, Yash Majan, and my friend Vinay Tare, currently studying in IAPS DAV pursuing MTech IT. This is our project topic. Topic is Live Code Editor guided by Dr. Vivek Srivastava. First of all, what is our project idea? A live code editor. In live code editor, your application is always running. You can add objects or change the code and instantly see the effect. Editing live applications creates a powerful workflow so you can build your apps faster and more easily than ever. The main idea is simple, that is we will have to having a web application in which we have sections or code palettes for HTML, CSS, JS on a single web page and the resulting web page is live rendered on the same web page in a separate section component so as to have a hot reloading feature along with live render. Features may include an account-based system for saving each set of code palettes associated with the user. The editor will have some basic code formatting, styling or linting inbuilt. There will be sharing options for the users that provides him with a link to the set of code. The code can be live reloaded based upon any changes that are being saved in different sections of code palette. How it can become business idea? Let's say a proposal. Each code palette associated with a user can be marked with a price to be paid. A certain price has to be paid to unlock the code sections. Output of the code will still be visible so as to showcase the work to users other than the owner of the code palette. It will be used as a code sharing platform so as to have the front end designers out there as well as newbies who are learning at a beginner level. For each code palette that you associated, your account gives a certain amount of discount for further purchases. Users may get a 100% off on a code palette for designing their own set of code that produces a similar output to a targeted code palette. This is purely opt-in feature. Owners may mark their code palettes to be eligible for doing so as a completely or beginner-friendly behavioral choice of the owner. The front-end technologies used in our project: HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, React Framework, and some third-party libraries. These technologies will be used to render the front end of the online web application. HTML and CSS are used for basic view design of the web pages. Bootstrap will be used for providing the responsive behavior of our site. jQuery will be used for some front-end logic. As we are already aware that Bootstrap and React both leverage jQuery in many use cases. React will be used to provide a simple workflow and more proper organization of code that can be reusable, as well as it will be easier to adapt to REST API server client communication for the web application. Other third-party libraries may be required like Redux as React's components state management tool. Now the backend technology used in our project: Node.js, Express Framework, MongoDB or some third-party libraries. These technologies will be used to manage the backend of the online application. Node.js will be working as the platform for the server-side runtime for the web. MongoDB will be used for storing the user states and data management information in the 4JS documents. Express Framework will help us in providing the easier API for design a REST API along with the routing provided by the Express router. Other third-party libraries, authorization protocols formats will be used as requirement, as well as JSON format will be fully leveraged by the application. Tools and VCS tools. VS Code will be used for writing and managing the code base along with its useful extensions for easy template creation and code styling for the code base. Mongo Compass may be used as per requirement for developing better database interactions for web application. A web browser will be required for analyzing the UI rendering of the web application like Google Chrome. Postman will be used for analyzing the implementation of the REST API server along with proper root and exception handling is done. Node Package Manager (NPM). It will be required for managing the dependencies and libraries needed for implementing the web application. Git Global Information Tracker. It will be used as the local VCS for the web application to manage various code implementation changes being marked and stored with some details like the time, version, changes from previous version, etc. GitHub. It will be used as the web host for hosting the Git repository online, making it available for others residing in any corner of the world where internet is available, as well as maintaining the source code with a chance of recovery in case of local data loss. So this is our project that we are going to make. Thank you very much.